we're back and we're gonna try one more try, okay? With Bert. He's watching you. He's watching you. Just get up and run. Get up and run. What the fuck? Come on, mate. Can you do it? Come on, get it. Okay. Come on. Get up and run. Get up and run. Get up and run. It's running. Wait. He's watching you. Come on, get up. Okay, come on. Come on, ready? Give us some food. Give us some soil. Okay, okay. Come on. Get running, get running. We can't get some bread. Alright, tip 4. Close. Close one. Well. Okay, come on. Run. Just run for it. Fuck the bread. Come on. Get, yeah, that's the bread. One second, you can do it. Yeah, running. It looks so fun when you run. Come on. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Mate, go for it. Just begin to run. Just run. Mate, just run. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're taking it. Taking it. He's ready to run. Run! Oh. Oh gosh. This is gonna be called Tigo is having fun with Bert. Fucking Bert. Fuck you, Bert. And it can't be soon. Let's do that in, yeah, Premiere Pro. Well, okay, guys, see you later. You'll probably see us when we get in training and stuff like that. But goodbye. Say goodbye.